Here's all the girls. We'll introduce you. There's a tennis ball for size. So here's one baby girl. Say hi. She's the biggest one. Let's see, does she have white? No white. She's got pigment on her nose. Just a little bit. So she would be, I think she was born at 12/18. We got this little girls. Say hi. Hi. And she's got a little bit of white on her chest. So she was let's see, the last girl born at 12/54. Then we got, here you go. Another girl. I think this was the first one born. Say hello. Hello. And this last one. She's pretty big. You're alright. Say hello. Oh, squeaky squeakies. Squeaky squeakies. Oh, oh, oh. So here's all the girls. Guys, pose. No, you just want to sleep? There's a little one, little red one. She's the darkest girl, the little one. She says, my head's smaller than a tennis ball. Meow. Yeah, squeakies.